इनका नाम लेके दूसरी साइड भी लगा रहे हैं. Oh my god, I'm already scared. Fuck, मैंने लगा दी कैमरा. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Every time I do a sit down haul, every time I say it's been a while. This time it has been literally a while. I don't remember last time I did a sit down haul. I wanted to do it in like April, but I got super busy with my sister's wedding and everything. Then I started doing random weekly vlogs and shopping, all about ethnic shopping and stuff. So it's been really long since I sat down and did a haul. So today I'm going to do Nykaa haul. I have loads and loads of stuff from Nykaa. Like I have 2-3 bags full of stuff from Nykaa. So I'm going to show you stuff which is like really nice. Some of the stuff I have used, कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो कि मैंने अभी use भी नहीं करी हैं, but I've heard good things about them. So yeah, let's get into the haul. Let's see what all I got from Nykaa. I've shopped a lot of beauty from different websites. Today I'm just showing you what all I got from Nykaa, and then maybe next time I'm going to show you a lot of other beauty. Like I have a lot to show you. If you are following me on Instagram or if you're following my shorts, you have seen different lipsticks I'm showing these days, because I literally like hoarded a lot of lipsticks, lip balms, whatnot, anything cute I wanted. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I'll just take out stuff one by one and keep talking about it. So yeah, let's get started. I have one bag full of stuff from Nykaa, all about skincare, beauty, everything. I will pick जो भी मेरे हाथ में आएगा. This one, if you have seen my Instagram stories, I posted when I bought it. This was just on deal. Nykaa pink sale mein it was on deal, so I thought of trying it. This huge ass bottle, it costs around 1100, but I got in 1100. I got this and this spa both, which are really amazing. Like I can't talk about this spa because I mean can't get enough of it. और मेरे से ही गलती से 2 ऑर्डर हो गई तो मैंने इसे रिटर्न नहीं किया. I've already finished one. इससे इतने स्मूथ बाल हो जाते हैं. Like today I just washed my hair, that's it. I've just washed my hair and used this spa. मैंने कोई स्ट्रेटनिंग नहीं करी, कुछ भी नहीं करा. This spa is really good. Like if you haven't tried it, you must try this spa. काफ़ी अच्छी spa है. Scotchkoff Spa Essence. It's really nice. And this shampoo as well, it works good for my hair, so it's really nice. It says nourishing shampoo for all kinds of hair. It suits very well, so I've been using it from quite some time. I think it's been a month I'm using this shampoo. And spa I use almost like twice a week, and I think my hair, they have gotten better. Like the frizz is less and I think they are just better. So this one is really nice. Like you see immediately you can see some, you know, shine, or just say like your hair look better. Then comes another shampoo, which again I think I've posted in one of my video or story. This is horrible, like horrible. I ordered this also because I've heard about Wishcare products, so I thought of ordering this shampoo, which says repairs damaged, dry and frizzy. My hair concern is frizzy, like they get dry and they're very frizzy, so I ordered this one. But it's horrible shampoo. Like whenever I put this shampoo, like I have given this shampoo 3 chances. When it came, मैंने इसे use करा, it's horrible. Then again I tried with conditioner. I've tried it thrice, but abhi literally I've kept it like this only. I don't use it anymore because it's horrible. I don't know. I've heard a lot about Wishcare products and they're nice. I also have their castor oil and some stuff from them, but this one I don't know, not for my hair type. I don't know if anyone of you have used it, and if you like it, just comment down. Next up is this. Of course I keep restocking this one. This I think I got it for around 400 or something. ये sale में था, तो again I have restocked it. I really love this product and I can vouch for it because ये Kerastase का dupe है, and like what, 1/4 the price. Kerastase I think it's around 100 dirham or something, and this is only like 400-500, but this works amazing. If you haven't used it, it's a must try product. Also, some of you have messaged me कि oily हो जाते हैं. You just have to take 1 drop, literally just 1 drop, and your hair look amazing. So yeah, I have this on shampoo, conditioner, and then I use this just on my ends because my ends are dry. If you can see it, I don't know, I really use a lot of color. Like every few months I get my hair color done or touch up done, so it's really good for dry hair. If you have like dry damaged hair, this works amazing. Next up is this Body Shop. Everything I have ordered is like I have restocked it because it was Nykaa pink sale. So again this is Body Shop. ये yogurt मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है, body yogurt. It's really nice. It has a nice texture. बहुत ज़्यादा oily sticky नहीं है. Look, it has a watery texture. Smells amazing. It's really nice. Oh my god, I spilled it. इसका texture बहुत ही watery है. But yeah, it's really nice. It's super hydrating, super nourishing. It's really nice. It smells amazing. So yeah, I just restocked it because there was some sale going on. I get convinced, like literally, if there is a sale, I get convinced. Even if it's like no sale and they say pay online and you get 5%, I get sold. So I know it's not a nice thing, but yeah. Next up are these magic soaps, Ghar soaps. It says I hold a PhD in removing body tan. Yeah, it does. It's really good. I ordered like pack of 3 and this is, I don't know how many we have ordered. My mom, my sisters, like everyone uses it. हमने ये start किया था होली के time because होली खेल के बहुत crazy tanning हो गई थी. That's when we tried this. Because any day like बेसन दही घोलने का time नहीं है आज की date में. So this really works well. Also I have finished 1 bar. It's nice. So this one is magic soap. This one is good for tanning. This one I haven't used. The coconut one I haven't used yet. It says for nourishment, moisture and nourishment department. But this one is really good. Like if you are like facing tanning hair on your hands, usually Indian skin पे हो जाती है tanning बहुत सारी. So I've used on my arms, my legs. I really love it. This one is really nice. It works. मतलब जितना ये claim करते हैं Instagram पे, it works. The ad keeps on coming on my Instagram, so I thought of giving it a try and it does work. Also the texture of the soap is like it has a scrubby side and the other side is plain, so it really works well. So this is a must try. Next up is this Dove exfoliating body polish. I haven't used it but I have heard about it, so I'm going to use it. I still haven't used it because ये I ordered a lot of stuff from Nykaa. ये अभी unused है. Mango and almond scrub. I don't know. I have high hopes. I still have to use it, but I have heard good things. Like a lot of my friends use it and I've heard like about it a lot. मैंने reels पे ही देखा है कि काफ़ी work करता है Dove का scrub. So I have never used Dove scrub. So अब use करेंगे तो पता चलेगा कैसा है ये. But it's a nice one. Next up is Dot & Key, guys. This brand, I am in love with it. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's new. Like it's been in the market from ages, but मैंने इसे कभी use नहीं किया था. I always liked their packaging क्योंकि काफ़ी cute bottles होती हैं. So I've always liked their packaging, but मैंने कभी भी ये use नहीं करा. It's amazing. Like literally I had to order my own stuff because I keep stealing theirs. This is really nice. Like this range is really nice. Such a cute bottle. मतलब इतनी cute bottle थी, still मैंने कभी try नहीं किया. Finally when I ordered, this is vitamin C plus E super bright moisturizer. This is really nice. I have used it. मैंने इसकी छोटी packaging use करी है. This one is new. I just ordered because sale में था तो मैंने stock करा है. But this is really nice. Dot & Key products are really nice. अभी तक मैंने जो भी Dot & Key का use करा है, everything is really nice. I mean it's worth your money. सही है. ओवर फ्रेग्रेंस भी नहीं है. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेग्रेंस होती है ना तो आई जस्ट डोंट इमीडिएटली. दैट्स अ बिग टर्न ऑफ फॉर मी बिकॉज इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर हार्मोन्स. तो अगर किसी में बहुत ज़्यादा परफ्यूम लोशंस होते हैं, आई जस्ट अवॉइड देम. लुक एट दिस क्यूटी. Approved by SBS. This is really nice. Next product, guys. I am obsessed. Obsessed is an understatement for this product. मतलब ये मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं पता था. Dot & Key स्किन केयर स्ट्रॉबेरी tinted sunscreen 50 plus or whatever. Okay. So this sunscreen my sister ordered it और मैंने इसकी यूज़ करी थी. मैंने पहले भी अपने किसी व्लॉग में डाला कि I keep stealing her sunscreen. This is amazing product. ये tinted sunscreen है. अभी मेरे फेस पे यही लगा हुआ है. That's why you can see my dark circles and everything because मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया. Just tinted sunscreen and lipstick, that's it. इतनी पावर है इसके अंदर. Look at my face, मतलब without makeup and just with tinted sunscreen, it looks amazing. If you are in rush, I think daily office जाना है या daily कहीं जाना है, तो just 2 dots of this sunscreen and it works amazing. Instant glow दिखता है इसका. मतलब this is one product. Look at it. Immediately, guys, my nails are gross. Immediately you can see the difference. Oh my god, दिख रहा है ना? Yes, ये वाला हाथ ज़्यादा bright है. My god, this is so nice because it's tinted. So you don't need any other product. अपना CTM करो, just put this product on, put a nice lipstick, liner, mascara, whatever, and you are good to go. This is really good and quite reasonable. It's for $5.49. कुछ ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं था डॉट एंड की पर 10-15% टाइप्स था. बट आई रीस्टॉक्ड. आई ऑर्डर like 4 of these because घर में ही सब यूज़ करते हैं. So I ordered 4 of these. This is really nice. Highly recommend from today's haul. Next up is another bottle का खेल. Growing up we have seen boring Vaseline की bottles. ये bottle मुझे अच्छी लगी तो मैंने order कर दिया. That's it. This is Sun Protect and Cooling Non-Sticky Body Serum Lotion. I use a lot of lotions because I have like dry feet. So I need something for my bedside table. So I keep ordering a lot of lotions to keep on my bedside, in my bag, and just, oh my god, it's actually cooling. Summers में लगानी चाहिए थी. Summer चली गई but मैंने इसको लगाया नहीं. It's really nice, guys. It says it's cooling serum in lotion, non-sticky and matte. बिल्कुल फील हो रहा है guys. Cool फील हो रहा है इसे लगा के बहुत ही. Next up, I posted this on Instagram. So जब नायका की सेल थी तो मैंने Instagram पे ये पोस्ट करा था. And literally one of my makeup artist friend DM'd me, bro क्यों पोस्ट करी है? Like literally she wanted to gatekeep this product. मुझे भी उसी से पता चला था. Look at the price. 1050 मुझे 795 की ये मिली और इसके साथ मुझे एक लिपस्टिक भी फ्री मिली थी. Anything for free just excites me. Rosy Gold. I don't know Rosy Gold Beauty क्या है, but anyway. So yeah, when I posted about this, my friend was like कि आपने क्यों डाला है ये? She's like, all my life I have gave. She was like, all my life I haven't told anyone about this because it's literally, मतलब जो उसने मना किया था मैं वही कर रही हूँ. It's literally Charlotte Tilbury का dupe है. And it actually works. ये भी हमारी 3rd-4th bottle होगी. I have used it, I have gifted it. काफ़ी हमने ये use करी है. It's a Fix and Glow Ultra Glow Fixing Spray. So it really works. This is Revolution का makeup spray. Revolution Hydrating and Illuminating Spray. Let's use it and see आगे की वीडियो में अगर मेरा face इससे कुछ better लगता है. I love Revolution के products. I have used their lip balm and I've also used their highlighters. I think इनका heart वाला cute सा highlighter होता था जो हम use करते थे. So yeah, I have this makeup fixer on now. Let's see if my face looks brighter than before. So this is Fix and Glow Illuminating Spray. This is again a must buy. My friend must be hating on me right now. She fears कि discontinue ना हो जाए. अगर सबको पता चल जाएगा तो discontinue हो जाएगा. I don't know what kind of thing it is, but it's really nice. This is good also. The price like 700-800 is nothing in compared to Charlotte Tilbury or the other fixers that we use, or the Dalba that I keep using. It's really nice. I love Dalba too, but this is very cost effective and nice product. Up is another product from Wishcare. I haven't used it, but I am thinking to start it. I'm very scared to use this new product. Use the micro spray to apply the serum directly on the scalp and use your fingers to massage. I don't know. I have heard a lot of good reviews about it. Even if you go on YouTube और नीचे डालोगे Wishcare के reviews तो literally सबके reviews हैं कि they have seen hair growth in it. A lot of bloggers are talking about it. A lot of good reviews. Like I've only heard good things about it. but I'm just scared because one time I started using this roll-on from random brand. I don't know, it was Orange Cap, random. And what I did was I started like, instead of two this, I started using on one to see क्या फर्क आएगा, और वो डार्क हो गया. Can you see? मेरा ये वाला एल्बो इज़ फाइन बट ये वाला एल्बो इज़ डार्क. आर यू किडिंग मी? तो वो प्रोडक्ट जब मैंने पिगमेंटेशन प्रोडक्ट स्टार्ट करा तो पिगमेंटेशन आ गई. आई डोंट नो ये किस टाइप का रिव्यू था या ये किस टाइप की चीज़ थी. मतलब पिगमेंटेशन, क्रीम से पिगमेंटेशन हो गई. तो आई एम स्केयर्ड स्पेशली फॉर माई हेयर. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है कि eventually someday I'm going to lose hair or have gray hair. Oh my god, that's the scariest part of growing up. I don't know how people manage these touch-up situations and everything is not my cup of tea. But yeah, let's see if I'm going to use it or no. अगर मैं यूज़ करूँगी तो मैं रिलीजियसली करूँगी एंड आई विल सी कि इससे ग्रो होता है नहीं. दिस इज़ विश केयर का हेयर ग्रोथ सीरम. इसके अंदर ब्ला 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 चीज़ें हैं. रोजमेरी, बायोटिन, राइस वाटर, रिड्यूसेस हेयर फॉल एंड बूस्ट हेयर ग्रोथ. आई एम जस्ट नॉट श्योर बट लुक्स वेरी इजी. So yeah, you are supposed to put it here but I'm not sure. Just I'm curious to use it, but I've heard very good reviews about. You can Google it and check reviews if you have. I don't have any like hair fall issues, touch wood, or any scalp issues, but if you guys have it, I think you should give it a try. और अगर कुछ असर होता है तो again comment on my YouTube video. I am going to eventually use it ताकि मेरे बाल ठीक ही रहें. ये बहुत एक मेजर इशू है गाइस हेयर का. So next up is amazing MAC Ruby Woo. I love MAC and I love Ruby Woo. It's my favorite shade. MAC का Meher and Ruby Woo are two of my favorite shades, but with Ruby Woo it's red of course, and it's the best kind of red, but I don't use it. Last पिछली 2-3 Ruby Woos मेरी expire हो गई हैं because I don't use it. I keep buying it, but मुझे लगता है कि बहुत dark हो जाता है, so I never use it. So this time I have ordered mini only. So it's always better अगर कोई shade tricky है तो order mini. It's such a cute baby lipstick, such a cute shade, and the best thing about this is I got it on discount like crazy. Massive discount था. This cost 1650 and I think I got it for 1100, like 500 discount is a big thing. But this is the best kind of red. It's not blood red, it's not cherry red, it's somewhere in between, and it's the best kind of red and it's my favorite. Next up is this Nykaa lipstick. It's Nykaa Butter Bomb. I ordered it because just packaging and this tick 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 situation, but I don't like it. I don't know, I should not give any negative review because it's butter bomb, it's glossy, it's buttery, but the stay is not that great. So look at it. It's not good for my skin tone, doesn't suit my face, but yeah, I like the tick 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 situation, easy application, and it's called Baby Girl. So Baby Girl is not for this big baby girl, but yeah, I just ordered it to try. मुझे ये NYX का dupe लगा था, but look at it. I think browns, they don't go well on my face. It's like the nudes which go well, or reds के shade, but brown is not my color. I have seen. और बहुत बार मेरे पैसे वेस्ट हो चुके हैं because I keep ordering brown shade. मुझे लगता है face bright लगेगा, but it never suits me. Next up is this Nykaa का काजल, Glamorize. Oh my god, I just ordered it because it was on discount and it's just fine. Now that I have used Sephora ka, so I like it. Also, I like the roll-on situation. I don't like the sharpener situation. It's not very pigmented और इसे sharp करना पड़ता है, तो I don't like it. It's a big no for me. I just like roll-on वाले काजल और टिक टिक situation काजल, बट नॉट द शार्पनर सिचुएशन काजल. गाइस काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हो गई. अभी ये चीज़ें मैंने फ़िल्टर करी हैं बिकॉज आई केप्ट ऑन ऑर्डरिंग. मैंने नायका अभी पिंक सेल थी तो मैंने ऑर्डर किया था. उससे पहले ऑर्डर किया था एवरी टाइम देयर इज सेल, लाइक वो पूरा वीक सेल थी, तो कुछ ना कुछ आता जा रहा था. शैम्पू, कंडीशनर, सीरम्स, वॉट नॉट. मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर रीस्टॉक, तो वो तो मैंने अभी हॉल में डाली नहीं है. स्टिल मैं दिखा के थक गई हूँ, तुम लोग देख के थके हो. इट्स लास्ट नाउ, विश केयर का सनस्क्रीन है। ये मुझे ऑफ कोर्स फ्री मिली थी बिकॉज विश केयर के बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए थे, तो ये उसमें फ्री आई थी। ऑयल बैलेंसिंग एक्टिव्स विद नियासिनामाइड। आई हैव हर्ड दिस वन इज गुड। इस कैमरा पे मैं फ्री प्रोडक्ट खोल रही हूँ, इस हालत में आया है। थैंक गॉड ये फ्री है, अदरवाइज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पिस हो जाती। व्हाट इज़ दिस सिचुएशन। मुझे पहले भी मिला हुआ है एक दो बार नायका से ऐसा चीज़, बट इफ़ यू कंप्लेन तो वो वापस ले लेते हैं। द बॉटल लुक्स ग्रोस and looks empty too. So yeah, this is Wish Care ka sunscreen. I have never used it. Yeah, it was gift. Yes, it's a gift. Rosy Gold Beauty. What is this Rosy Gold? I haven't heard about it. और मैंने गूगल किया तो मुझे कुछ समझ भी नहीं आया. This I got free with that. This one. This spray I got free with this one. I like Nykaa sense. Keep sending freebies. I really like it. Free stuff का अलग मज़ा होता है. Quite red, blood red. Yeah, Nykaa keeps sending these miniatures. कभी face pack, कभी face mask. I have also got Huda Beauty का foundation for trial, and I've got like some Laneige sleeping mask. काफ़ी कुछ freebies आई थी because I ordered a lot of stuff. I also ordered Huda Beauty lipsticks, Victoria's Secret lip glosses, a lot of other lip products जो अभी मेरे को मिल नहीं रही, somewhere in my bag. So yeah, I got a lot of freebies this time. ये मुझे फ्री मिला था, कुछ मास्क मिले थे, कुछ सीरम मिला था, and this one is a complete disappointment. Ew, yuck. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. हम अपना outfit breakdown कर देते हैं. सच कुछ outfit है नहीं. I'm wearing my new t-shirt from H&M जो कि मैंने अपनी shorts में भी डाली है. Earrings I'm wearing it. Oh my god, ये किसी ब्रांड के हैं, डिज़ाइनर के, रोजेंटिक का और समथिंग, और ये मैंने 400 दिरहम्स के लिए थे. वाई आई डू दिस टू मी. एंड देन अगेन कम्स दिस जो मैंने 4 दिरहम्स का लिया था, 4 AED ओनली फ्रॉम Shein. एंड दीज आर फ्रॉम, आई थिंक दे आर फ्रॉम रोजेंटिक का, सही है शायद. और इसमें मेरी इतनी बेटी हो गई थी. आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड कि मैंने इतने ह्यूज मैसिव हूप्स लिए हैं, बट दे आर द टिक टिक वन, सो आई डोंट लाइक देम. एंड या दैट्स अबाउट इट. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. और आज का जो बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो मैं बता रही हूँ. दिस, यू नीड टू हैव दिस इन योर लाइफ, इन योर पॉकेट, एवरीवेयर यू गो. जस्ट फेस पे ये लगाया, लिपस्टिक लगाई, एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. लाइक लिटरली नाइस. इट्स वेरी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव. देन इट हैज सनस्क्रीन इन इट. इट्स टिंटेड. सो व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड. मॉइस्चराइजर, जस्ट फेस वॉश करो, टोनर लगाओ, एंड यू can put this directly. So it's really nice product. It's a must have from today's haul. That's about it. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.